explorers and wildlife enthusiasts, today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore the captivating world of crocodiles. Crocodiles are like the ancient rulers of the waters, and they've been capturing our imaginations for centuries. Are you ready for this aquatic adventure? Fantastic! Join us for the next 5 minutes as we dive into the incredible world of crocodiles. Our crocodile adventure begins with an introduction to these incredible reptiles. Crocodiles are like the fearsome giants of the waterways. There are several species of crocodiles, each with its unique features and habitats, but they all share that unmistakable appearance. Now, let's explore the aquatic habitats of crocodiles. Crocodiles are like the masters of both freshwater and saltwater ecosystems. You can find them in rivers, lakes, marshes, and even coastal areas. They're equally at home on land and in the water. Time to learn about the crocodile diet. Crocodiles are like top predators in their environments. They primarily feast on fish, birds, and mammals that come to the water's edge to drink. Their strong jaws and sharp teeth make them fearsome hunters. Let's observe the intriguing behavior of crocodiles. Crocodiles are like patient predators. They'll often lie in wait, partially submerged, for hours, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. They're also known for their distinctive bellows and their impressive speed when lunging at prey. Our journey concludes with the importance of crocodile conservation. Crocodiles play vital roles in their ecosystems, but they're threatened by habitat loss and illegal trade in their skin and body parts. We can help protect these incredible reptiles by supporting conservation efforts. And there you have it, our amazing journey through the world of crocodiles. Crocodiles are like symbols of the wild spirit, and they teach us about the beauty and importance of our wetlands and waterways. Remember, young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts, crocodiles need our help. Keep learning about these amazing reptiles, keep raising awareness about the importance of wetland conservation, and keep taking actions to protect the incredible crocodiles and their aquatic homes. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting educational adventures with us. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the wonders of the animal kingdom. Thank you for joining us on this aquatic adventure today, my young friends. Until next time, keep the spirit of the waterways alive in your hearts, keep exploring the wonders of the wetlands, and keep championing the incredible crocodiles of our planet. Goodbye, young explorers and wildlife enthusiasts.